got some food, so we have 2 burgers. And we also got some guacamole. It's guacamole made out of edamame, which is really cool. So we're about to dig in. You excited?
About to go crazy. Lau's mommed up. Babe, this lighting right here,
let me see,
is crazy.
I can't see anything. Hey guys, I just moved into the shade, but we are about to get on a boat and I'm so excited. It's so beautiful out here. It's so hot and sunny. The sand is so white. The ocean is so blue. Casual, act like I'm not even here.
What's good, cozy gang?
Ain't it? Hey.
Hey.
Hey. Video? What? Oh.
Hey.
No, a video? No, I can't be in a video.
Why not?
Hit it.
Oh.
That's why I look bougie. Video? Oh no, not video, not video.
They have Tree sitting like a princess.
Welcome aboard the Holocaust. Who's excited to go sailing?
Guys, I'm still not over the sunset. So beautiful.
Where is there a beach over?
Hey guys, so it is the next day. We just did a little photo shoot in the hotel room with Curology and now we're chilling at the pool and the weather is so perfect, guys. Wow. So we're just chilling at the pool. Yeah, we're just looking at the pictures we took this morning. Wow.
I love the sister shots.
Well, got some tacos.
I can't believe how good those pictures look. No retouching, nothing. Perfect.
Let me get, you don't like them? No, Mel doesn't like them. I'll take a bite.
They're good.
Let me taste.
Yeah. Count of 3, please yell out, hang loose. Okay?
Hang loose.
Count of 3.
Oh.
Please try one more time. 1, 2, 3.
Hang loose.
This means take it easy and have a good time. One more time, man. Yoranda.
Yoranda.
Please say mahalo.
Mahalo.
Mahalo. When was the last time you guys danced under the stars? Oh my love, the clouds run high, the sun.
Did you bring your vlog camera?
Yeah, I did. Hi.
Party's here. Hey.
I got steak, of course. Mel got chicken tacos. Josh got a burger. Sue's got mac and cheese. Tree went to the bathroom, but look at her meal. That looks so good. Some mashed potatoes.
That makes sense, no?
Jasmine got chicken. There, he wants to buy the chicken.
And that's broccoli right there?
No, he wants some. Why are you all looking at food?
I have to make sure there's no poison in it.
I'm guarding my food. Babe, your skin looks so good.
I'll get now some fall asleep every night. Gotta do the hips too.
Ooh.
Yeah, I love you, bitch. I ain't never gonna stop loving you, bitch.
I love you, bitch. Oh my God. I ain't gonna never stop loving you, bitch.
So our plans for today is the gang is going to Waimea Valley Bay, huh? Waimea, that's how you say it, Waimea. And it's really beautiful. So there is a waterfall there that you can actually swim in. So I'm so excited to go in there. You guys know I love the water, I love the ocean, I love swimming. So it's really cool because you hike up to the waterfall. It's a really short hike, it's less than a mile. And then, you know, you have that beautiful waterfall and then it's about a quarter mile back. So total it's about 1.5 miles. So you had an option of getting a golf cart, and everybody else decided to get the golf cart ride, but Mel and I are going to be hiking it so we can get good vlog footage for you guys. And I just need some exercise. By the way, guys, I have a full face of makeup on right now because I had to take a picture for Instagram, but I did such a good job, I don't want to take it off, you know. At least I'll look cute for the waterfall pictures, but honestly on this whole trip I have not been wearing makeup and it's been feeling so good on my skin. So I'm gonna change my clothes because I'm also in like a dress for my Instagram picture. I'm gonna change my clothes and we're gonna head to that waterfall. Yo, that's a peacock. Hi! Oh my god, a chicken! So we're shuttling back. You guys saw we hiked over here. Hi! How was your Waimea Falls experience?
It was a great
It was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
You know, good people.
Good energy.
Good energy, good views. No one even looked bad.
Jurassic Park was filmed in here, guys. Part of it was filmed in here. That's crazy.
Wow.
We're part of history. The original?
Here's all the movies that have been filmed where we were just at. So we have this movie, Jumanji, Snatched, Lost. I've heard really good things about the show. Smoothies vlog. Oh wow, there's more. What's this movie? George of the Jungle, You, Me, and... Okay, I've never heard of this movie. Wow, so many movies have been filmed here. Hunger Games.
Do something. We came here just for Action Bronson. He said this is the best poke in the world.
Poke at Kahuku Super had changed my life. I have dreams of being there and tasting this delicious taste that you just go to the corner store for. I love poke. Hello.
I recognize you from Facebook.
Thank you. I got kimchi too. I love cabbage kimchi. Show me the fit. Guys, look, there's a rooster right there, and then a kitty over there.
There too.
Hold on.
Chicken steak.
It's so cute.
Another little one.
Really? Hi, cuties. Oh, look at them. This is our last day. We're about to head home after this, but we're about to ride some horses. We don't know where to go though. Yeah. Oh wait, I think that's where everybody is at. I don't want that horse to turn around and come after you.
Do you see this hat? Ain't no horse about to attack me.
We're about to go ride some horses.